ஹாய் கைஸ், அந்த ஆக்ரா நாங்கள் டூர் போனோம்ல அந்த பேக்கேஜ்லேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபத்தேபூர் சிக்ரி, இது அக்பரோட பேலஸு. இந்த பேலஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம இது கொஞ்சம் அவுட்ஸ்கர்ட்டில் இருக்குது. இது போகணுன்னா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வித்தவுட் கைடு நம்ம போக முடியாது. அது கைடு வந்து சேர்ந்து பேக்கேஜ் 1500 ருபீஸு. நம்ம பார்க்கிங்கில் அவங்கள இறக்கி விட்ருவாங்க. அங்கேருந்து பேட்ரி கார் மூலம் நம்மளை அங்கே கூப்பிட்டு போய் எல்லாம் சுற்றி காமிச்சு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறது எல்லாம் சேர்த்து 1500. இதில் அந்த கைடே வந்து சூப்பராக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருப்பாரு. அதனால் நான் என்னோடய வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுக்கல. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சவங்க லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் இந்த வீடியோ பற்றி கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் போடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
But if you go outside for that's 2 floor, and that used that's inside for 2 entrance gate, and one used for the Akbar, and this door used for the Akbar.
This one?
Yeah, and Akbar going to top and sit in center. And second door used for the Akbar ministers going to top, sit in corridor for discussing private meeting hall.
Okay.
And the support is white pillars. I tell you, Akbar have a 3 white, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all the different religions. But Akbar, all religious mixing only one name of Deen Ilahi. The all religions for the respecting. And you see this architect, and this architect for Jain architect. And you see this down to that bag, Jain bag. And you see this for zigzag, and this is a Persian architect. And you down you see the small doors, and this is for the kitchen, confession boxes. And you see the leaves architect, this is Hindu architect, and down there for the Buddha head, Buddhist. And down the Mughal, Omar Khayyam, a water tank. And the fourth side is screens, so that is screen for the king times, king relation systems. Those times no light, no machine, no cooler. And we had a bigger field, and those times the air, natural air, entrance for this side, natural times. Okay? And you see the black dome. The black dome is the king times of the black star. Mint house, painting house.
Painting.
And those times those times gold coin, and you use this water tank. And those times the water problem, and that's collected here for rainwater. And you see the oil field. There's a field for the king time is artificial lake, name of Moti Jheel. 3 sides city walls. Then you see city walls 10 kilometers, and one side is water lake. And you see this red tower. Inside all this boxes, and put the coin, and this is all is a hole, and one down. So the best thing.
How to take after?
And put the coin, and this is down is holes, and coin is going to down.
Okay.
For basement.
Okay.
And other side is divided for 3 rooms, 1 and second, third, and use and separate it. And golden coins are put there, silver coins put in the other rooms, jewelry are put in the other rooms. Okay? And those times no door for the cloth, and cloth in over there. And after this corridor used for the soldier and stand watch security guard, watch the bank. And you see, come this side, and you see the top, and you see this S, and you see the S, and down face for the elephant, trunk up elephant, good morning elephant.
Okay.
And you see the first face for the crocodile.
Okay.
You know those times no line. And you see this, that's called name of Panch Mahal.
Panch Mahal.
You know Panch is 5. Mahal is palace. 5 storage palace. That palace support is by pillars. 176 pillars support these palaces. And those times, festival time, queen going to top, looking in moon in Karwa Chauth. And second wife is going to top Muslim, looking in moon, Eid, festival time, then going to top. And you see this palaces, then support by pillar. And this is for the classrooms, schools. And those time we speak here Urdu, Arabic, Farsi languages. And those time teacher's name Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl on one book writing here. Aine Akbari and Aine Akbar. Akbar. Very small palaces, but those times so beautiful. And you see it's all architect. This is carving, hand making. And those time no light, no machine, totally is a handmade. And you see this, and this is a grapes. And again there, grapes and watermelons. There's a watermelon and grape. And the pillar is behind for the lemon. And see this side for the lemon. And this is for the lemon.
This is Akbar first wife room, huh?
And Akbar first wife's room. And sometime they live here. Another that behind for the Akbar bedrooms. And you see this top, and you see this side for the dust time. And you see the all window architect. And the old windows and doors, the architects is totally is a handmade, but there's no any joint for the single pieces. Those time no light, no machine. You see this so many architects. See that? And those time for decorated these palaces for mineral and diamond. And what is 9005, but is come here Fatehpur Sikri and every diamonds and minerals and keep it. And those time the carpet and floor is over there. And Akbar with family sit in floor. Those time veg and non-veg dishes and keep there like a buffet system. This is a real king size. And those times sandalwood steps Akbar going to top sleep time. Sandalwood steps. Sandalwood steps Akbar going to top for the sleeping time. And down here for the water, rose water for cooling. And those all here's water, collect water for the cooling times. And those times no light, no machine. And this window for the working times of anti-engine systems. And there's 3 entrance gates. Akbar have 3 wide and separate doors. And first door for the use for the Muslim wife. And first palace for Muslim wife. And then for this door. And second door used for the second wife money and Christian. And second door the government for the locking. This door is very long, very high. And the government locking. And this is for third wife, Jodha wife.
Entrance, huh?
Entrance.
Second.
There's a room. This room is name of Dream House. And Jodha wife she live in Rajasthan Amer Fort. And very big palaces for Jodha wife. And Jodha wife she live inside. Then and Jodha wife came here and got a statue for Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna came here. And there's so separate for temple. Lord Krishna temple was 1905 they did come here. And go to the statue for Lord Krishna. Rooms are all the same. But this is not same. And there's a room for behind, so ventilation system for window. And this room is 4 sides closed. No air passing. And a stage for that temple, Jodha White temples. And you see this plant, and those times that there's a holy plant, Tulsi. And Jodha White every morning give the water for Tulsi. And 4 sides corner room, there's a corner room for the servants quarter. 4 side. And this is Jodha White palaces. And Sikri, the palace is finished.
Is the Jodha room?
All people, town peoples.
Okay.
And
Sikri people.
Sikri people and Akbar servants people. And first I show you the main gate, Buland Darwaza. And after you go to